Reclaim Your Wealth from Scratch, a beginner's guide to smart investments.
Chapter 2, The Basics of Investing. What is investing anyway? Investing, at its core, is like planting a seed in the garden of your financial future. You take a little bit of your hard-earned money, bury it in the soil of various investment vehicles, and hope that with time, care, and a sprinkle of good luck, it sprouts into a flourishing tree of wealth. It's not just about tossing your cash into the nearest stock or real estate opportunity. It's about nurturing your investments so they can grow and multiply over the years, leading to a bountiful harvest. Think of investing as a delightful puzzle where each piece represents a different asset class. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, each has its own characteristics and quirks. Some pieces are flashy and exciting, like tech stocks that soar to the moon, while others are steady and reliable, like bonds that behave more like your favorite cozy blanket. The fun lies in figuring out how to fit these pieces together to create a picture of financial security and growth that suits your lifestyle and goals. Now, before you dive headfirst into this investing adventure, it's crucial to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Just as every gardener has their own unique style, some prefer roses, while others swear by succulents, every investor has their own risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment strategy. This personal touch makes investing a fascinating journey of self-discovery. You'll learn what makes your financial heart race and what keeps you up at night, allowing you to tailor your portfolio to fit your personality. But let's not sugarcoat things. Investing can be a roller coaster ride. The market can have its highs and lows, and sometimes it feels like you're on a wild ride with your stomach in knots. However, just like that thrilling amusement park ride, the key is to strap in and hold on tight. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Those who panic at the first sign of trouble often miss out on the beautiful view at the top of the mountain. Stay focused on your goals, and don't let short-term fluctuations derail your strategy. Ultimately, investing is about creating opportunities and building a future that aligns with your dreams. Whether you want to travel the world, buy a cozy home, or retire comfortably, investing is the vehicle that can take you there. So, grab your watering can and get ready to nurture your investments. With patience, knowledge, and a bit of fun along the way, you'll find that investing isn't just a necessity. It can be an exciting adventure that leads to a wealthier, more fulfilling life. Different types of investments, stocks, bonds, and beyond. When it comes to investing, think of it as a buffet where you can choose what tickles your taste buds. Stocks, bonds, and a smorgasbord of other investments are waiting for you to dive in. Let's start with stocks, the spicy nachos of the investment world. When you buy stocks, you're essentially purchasing a tiny piece of a company. If that company does well, you could see your investment grow faster than a weed in a garden. But beware, just like nachos can give you a tummy ache if you overindulge, stocks can be volatile. Their prices fluctuate based on market trends and company performance, so it's wise to do your homework before diving in. Next up, we have bonds, the dependable mashed potatoes on your investing plate. Bonds are like loans you give to companies or governments, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest. They're generally considered safer than stocks, offering more stability and a predictable income stream. Think of bonds as a warm hug on a chilly day. They provide comfort when the stock market gets a bit too wild. While they might not provide the same thrilling ride as stocks, they can be a fantastic way to balance out your investment portfolio. Now let's sprinkle in some fancy options like mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are like the mixed salad of the investment buffet, combining various ingredients for a well-rounded experience. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to purchase a diverse range of stocks and bonds, making them an excellent choice for beginners who want to spread their risk. ETFs work similarly but are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They offer flexibility and can be a fun way to explore different sectors or themes, like technology or renewable energy. Real estate is another investment avenue that often gets overlooked. Imagine it as the rich dessert after your main course. Delicious, but requires a bit of an investment upfront. Investing in real estate can mean owning rental properties or even real estate investment trusts that allow you to invest in property without the hassle of being a landlord. Real estate can provide passive income and potential appreciation over time. Plus, There's something gratifying about owning a slice of the physical world. Lastly, let's not forget about alternative investments, which are like the quirky side dishes that surprise your palate. These can include collectibles, cryptocurrencies, or peer-to-peer lending. They often come with higher risks, but can also lead to higher rewards if you know what you're doing. While it's tempting to chase after these flashy options, remember to keep your core investments, your stocks and bonds, solid. As you explore the investment buffet, make sure to balance excitement with caution, and soon you'll be on your way to building a wealthier future. Risk against reward, finding your comfort zone. Risk and reward are like two dance partners, each taking turns leading and following. In the world of investments, understanding the rhythm of this dance is crucial for beginners looking to build wealth. Picture yourself at a dance party, where the music is enticing, and everyone is having a good time. You might feel the urge to jump in and show off your best moves. But wait, before you hit the dance floor, it's essential to know your comfort zone. Are you the type who prefers the slow sway of a romantic ballad, or do you thrive in a wild, high-energy rave? Recognizing where you feel most at ease can help you make smarter investment choices. Finding your comfort zone doesn't mean avoiding risks altogether. It's more about understanding which risks you can handle without breaking a sweat. Think of it as testing the waters before diving into the deep end. Some investments, like stocks, can be as unpredictable as a surprise mosh pit, while others, like bonds or savings accounts, offer a much more serene experience. The key is to figure out how much excitement you can tolerate. If the thought of losing money sends you into a frenzy, you might want to stick with the safer options. On the other hand, if you're eager for that adrenaline rush and can handle the thrill, branching out into riskier investments might just be your ticket to the big leagues. Once you've identified your comfort level, it's time to explore the potential rewards that come with your chosen investment path. Just like in dancing, the more you practice, the better you get. With investments, the right mix of risk and reward can lead to impressive gains. Imagine investing in a startup that takes off like a rocket. While it might feel like a gamble, the payoff could be life-changing. But remember, not every investment will lead you to the dance floor of success. Some may stumble and fall, teaching you valuable lessons along the way. Embrace these experiences, and don't let a few missteps keep you from getting back out there. As you navigate through the investment landscape, don't forget to keep your eyes on the prize. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of potential gains, but staying grounded is essential. Develop a strategy that balances your risk tolerance with your financial goals. Would you like to retire early and travel the world? Or are you simply looking to build a nest egg for the future? Keeping your objectives clear will help you make informed decisions that align with your comfort zone. Remember, investing isn't just about making money, it's about creating a future that feels right for you. Finally, surround yourself with fellow dancers, meaning investors who share your journey. Join communities, attend workshops, and exchange stories with others who are also finding their rhythm. The world of investing can feel overwhelming at times, but having a support system can make it all feel like a fun group dance rather than a solo performance. Sharing experiences and tips with others will not only enhance your understanding, but also keep you motivated. So, lace up those dancing shoes, find your groove, and step confidently onto the investment floor. The risk may be there, but so are the rewards, waiting for you to claim them.